Good morning, YouTube. Today we are tinting the headlights on my truck finally. If you watched my last video, you saw that we ordered the VHT nightshades, and that's what we are doing today. We're also going to take the little badges off that sit right about here on the outside of the truck. We're going to take those off, debadge it, that way it's going to look good, because I think I might be ordering some handles that are color matched to the truck instead of black. So we got a lot of stuff going on in the truck, getting it all cleaned up with the colors and everything. So handles, I don't know when they're going to be here. I'm thinking they're going to get here around when I get my mirrors fixed. I'll tell you guys about that later on the video. And then the tint, I got to take the headlights off. I'll show you a before, and then I'm just going to do a time lapse of myself kind of doing the process of tinting it. But what you got to do if you're going to do your own head or taillights with the tint nightshade stuff, you have to take them off, or just mask them on the truck. I want to take mine off because mine have edges that are kind of hard to get to when they're on the truck. So you take them off, wipe them down, clean them super good with alcohol, and then you take them where you're not going to get the spray on anything else. You give them a couple good, I did 3 coats of the nightshades, but that's dependent on how dark you want to go. I wanted to go pretty dark. I don't recommend doing any more than 3. Your light's going to not really show through. So I'm going to put 3 coats of that on, and then you take it, after you get the tint on, you do about 10-15 minutes in between each coat, and then you wait about an hour for the tint to dry, and then you do 2 to 3 coats of clear coat, and then you got to wait for that to dry. And unfortunately, I didn't realize this. I didn't realize this until today when I read the bottle. You have to wait 24 hours on the clear coat before you can sand it. So we're going to get the clear coat on, and then I got to wait. And then tomorrow, when I upload this video, I'm going to have to sand them down 24 hours later from when I paint. And then you get them all like matte, kind of sanded. And then I'm going to use 3000 grit wet sandpaper. And then you have to polish them and make them look really nice. And then once you get them polished and cleaned up, you put them back on the truck or the car, whatever you're using it for. And I hope it's gonna look really good. We'll see. I'll get the time lapse going right here, and I'll catch up with you guys once it's all done. All right, guys, we got the tint done and on the truck, on the headlights. I ended up using 1500 grit sandpaper, smoothed them out for about a couple minutes on each lower and then each upper. And I had a buddy help me sand those out. And then we went to 3000 grit, sanded them even more, and then went to polish. And then after polishing them, went to a finish polish. And then they were looking super shiny. And then we got some wax, and we waxed them. And they ended up looking really good. Before they had like an orange peel finish, like the way the peel of an orange looks with all the little holes everywhere. That's how they kind of looked. So they smoothed out. They look really good now. They're glossy. They look like they came this way. And they blend so much better with the truck. The whole truck looks a lot meaner. You guys will have to see it in daylight in another video coming up. But yeah, they look so much better now. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. If this is your first time stopping in, make sure to like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.